Everybody, this is Alex Benicki here again. What? Oh, I didn't mean to press it. What? Okay. I did not mean to do this, but okay. What?
What?
Nothing.
Oh.
So, yeah, okay. Did you enjoy this? I don't know, like... You will never need to eat again. You cannot eat even if you want to. That is easy. You'll never need... Oh, wait, never mind. I forgot this is... Will you press the button? I will not. Okay, yes. I'm average. Okay, well, yeah, I'm here. It's, will you press the button? And there's nothing really to explain, but it's if you will press the button or not. So, I disliked it. You can go to the future with the date of your choice at any time and become rich. But you become old and very ill. I will not. I want to live my life. Yeah, exactly. Because I'm pretty much gonna die at that point if I'm old and ill. But I liked it. You would be given $10 million, but you must donate 0.1% to charity. Heck yeah, I would push that button. Why would you not? You greedy little... Oh my god. Some people are really greedy. If I had the money, I would definitely donate a lot of it to charity. So yeah. Okay. So yeah, we're just here playing push the button so you could kind of get to know me. Do you want to get... no, it was kind of an easy one. Will you press the button? You gain X-ray vision, but you can never turn it off. I will not press the button. Yeah, exactly. So if I had X-ray vision, once I close my eyes, I could still see through them. So I could never really go to sleep. Did you enjoy this? I liked it, just in an ironic way, though. Alright, you speak every language fluently. Ooh. You have a terrible stutter. Like that pig from Looney Tunes. I would push that button. Ooh, just enough people. Press that button. Now, everybody, if one of the times when I push a button and I liked it, and I don't go along with most of the people, I'm gonna do something, but I'm gonna figure it out. Alright, you can make any of your drawings come into real life. Oh. Well, you can never sing. No. Love singing and dancing. What? That means you can't really draw any evil things, though. Oh, okay. Here, how about this? Each time I'm not in the ordinary, this video has to be a minute longer. It has to be 6 minutes. Alright, I liked it. Oh, you wouldn't be an expert at picking stalks, but you would have an extra finger. So, yeah. That was kind of easy. But it wasn't a close call, so I don't like it. But, hey, really, you only have to press this button, or I will not. And that's really it. So it needs to be 6 minutes. No, I only have 2 more, actually. You make this world a paradise for everyone. Ooh. Someone you hate gets all the credit. Ooh, that's a, well, I know who I really hate, and he kind of ruined my life. He would get all the credit. We want some people to know that I was the true one. It's all in the credit. This world a paradise for everyone. I would push that button. Yeah. That would be nice. I liked it. It was like one of the only tough ones in this entire thing. I had some really easy ones. Alright, will you press the button? Alright. You can modify your body as you wish, apart from the length of your nails. Okay. Oh, that would be kind of bad, though. You could never cut any of your nails. Well, I don't want to modify my bodies.
I have
As
one
much as I
question.
want.
What does this
One
note
second.
block do?
What does the note block do?
Yeah.
Sorry about that, guys. You can modify your body. Oh, yeah. I would not. What? Oh, no, it has to be even longer. Okay, now it has to go to 9 minutes. I liked it. It was good. Okay, stop giving me ads. You take a pill that makes you 150% smarter. Everybody thinks you're... I will not. I don't care if it makes this video a minute longer, but why? No, no, didn't want to do that. Oh, what? Oh no, I pressed the wrong one. Fine. You'll have the latest Apple stuff for the rest of your life for free. Ooh, that's pretty good. 99.9% of all people hate Apple products. Well, I'm making a YouTube video, so I would I would not. What? Come on. Really? Okay. It's going to 10 minutes. Please don't let this one go longer. So, because I don't really have that much time. Half-Life 3 comes out. Oh, well, I don't even play that game. But it's so hard to run that no computer can run it for at least 10 years. What? I will not. I did not like it. It was kind of easy. The whole universe would turn into a Minecraft universe. I don't want that. You are the only person in the known universe. I would not. Why did people press that? I disliked it. You can take one blah. You can take one being from Esquire to the real world, but you're the only one to see it. I don't even know what that is. I want everybody to see it anyway. Oh yeah. Alright, one more. And then we're done. This is 11 minutes. Close. I don't want this ad. Close. Thank you. You skip high school, but have all the knowledge that comes with it. Well, still, it wouldn't be in your, if you were gonna get a job, it wouldn't be in your, what's it called, prescription, I think, but you can never play a video. No! Yeah, why did people press that? They don't even hire you to sweep a broom. Alright, well, I like that one. Alright, one more. Dear God, you have to answer all the prayers of the earth. That's too much work. I would just pass out. I would not. Yes. I liked it. Alright, well, bye everybody. This has been Will You Press the Button? Dun dun dun. So, see you next time in the next video. It's been a gaming video of Will You Press the Button. Bye!